We recently showed you AWE's Track Edition axle back for your 2011 through 2014 Mustang. Now, if you love the USA-made quality and the sound of the track, but thought it was a little bit on the loud side, well, the AWE Touring exhaust might be just what you're looking for. This is AWE's Touring axle back, fitting your 11 through 14 GT, 12 through 13 Boss 302, and your 11 through 12 GT500. Now, like the Track Edition, this is made of 304 stainless steel, but the Touring Edition adds a pair of their 180 technology mufflers. Now, 180 technology is a technology that's patented by AWE that gets rid of drone but provides excellent flow. Just like the Track Edition, available in your choice of two tips. You have the killer-looking black diamond tip or the chrome tip, and again, double wall 4.5-inch tips. For this installation with a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, and a 15mm socket. Once you have the car up in the air, we'll begin the installation by removing this bolt here, or actually loosening this bolt here to loosen up this clamp. The reason we're going to do this is to get the muffler off, you have to actually push it sideways, and then it's going to go forward. So once we loosen this, we're actually going to remove the mid pipe next, so we have room for the muffler to move. All right, moving further forward now, we're going to disconnect up here from the H pipe to the mid pipe. You can get the muffler off without doing this, but this is a lot easier. Push the muffler towards the outside to get it off the rear clamp. You can usually do this by hand. And slide it forward to remove. Okay, now we're going to put the muffler up into place and install it on the factory hangers. Okay, now we can reinstall the mid pipe from the H pipe to the muffler. Okay, the muffler and pipe connected. We're going to tighten this back up. And then tighten the factory clamp to the muffler. Okay, they're being tightened up. Now we can install the tip. Again, the tip is kind of personal preference. You can have them kind of straight like that, or you can actually angle them if you want, kind of match the factory contour of the bumper. We're gonna go straight. Get it where you want and tighten it down. Okay, then repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. All right, AWE Touring is installed. Let's hear how it sounds. Yo, at idle, definitely a similar tone to the track, but quieter. It definitely still sounds good. Lots of crackles. I mean, a really good sounding exhaust system. Like I said, just a little bit less volume than the track. more impressed with the touring than I thought I would be. I've heard the 180 technology before and it always sounds good. I thought it would really kind of dull the tone and the crackle and that aggressive tone of the track, but it really doesn't. The system sounds really good, and I can't imagine with some off-road pipes or headers, it would probably sound even better. As far as installation goes, again, pretty straightforward, about an hour and a half, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.